I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
So hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I hope you all guys are absolutely good. So अभी निकले हैं राइड पे, आज संडे का दिन है। तो साथ में हैंस ब्लॉग भी है अपने साथ। तो अभी जैसा कि देख रहे हो, लॉकडाउन अभी जस्ट खुला है, आज संडे है। बाकी दिन से आज तो भीड़ थोड़ा सा कम है। तो गाइस पेट्रोल तो ले चुके हैं, गर्मी थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा लग रही है हेलमेट के अंदर।
Y'all don't get it though, I keep my circle small, something tighter than a Cheerio. Get it through your head, I don't give a fuck, you dead son. Don't step to me or swear to God that you gon' be my next son. Stop coming at my neck son, I swear that you're my stepson. Never put me in a list with anyone that's step one. Don't step to me, that's step two. Step three when you coming at me, don't forget your whole crew. We got banana clips, that's whole food. Extend the mags, no playboy, no hustle around me, don't fake boy. Now all I get is paper, so what can you even say, boy? I come and I'm ripping up tracks, spitting these facts, and it's so fast, they sit on the raps while I just rap. Matter of fact, I might just brag and tell you about all of the bitches I bag, and tell you about all of the bitches I have, and every bitch bagged in the back with a pack. Oh, that's your chick, that's why you're so sad. Like, oh, hit it, yeah, yeah, hit it, yeah, yeah, hit it, oh, hit it, yeah, yeah, hit it, yeah, yeah, hit it, oh.
तो भाई जैसा देख सकते हो, यहाँ का सीन बहुत ही खतरनाक टाइप का दिख रहा है। मतलब अमेजिंग लग रहा है, इसका क्या कहना। ये देखो सारे पत्थर को जिस तरीके से काटा गया है।
Told you not to worry, but maybe that's a lie. Honey, what's your hurry? Won't you stay inside? Remember not to get too close to stars. They're never gonna give you love like ours. Where did you go? I should know, but it's cold and I don't wanna be lonely. So show me the way home. I can't lose another life. The world's a little blurry, or maybe it's my eyes. Friends I've had to bury, they keep me up at night. Said I couldn't love someone, 'cause that might break. If you're gonna die, not by mistake. So where did you go? I should know, but it's cold and I don't wanna be lonely. So tell me